average of 7.01 seconds. Receiving 20,000. And the medal we have Ethan Gabriel Lau. Now, finished second with an impressive average of 6.464 seconds. Crimson Aradaza winning a trophy, winning a medal, cash prize of 30,000 pesos. And our first ever national champion, winning with an average of 5.84 seconds, winning the gold medal and winning 60,000 pesos. All right, go ahead. May we call on